Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song When We Were Younger by Grentperez. So first up, we'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. Aside from that, I'm also going to be teaching this to you guys as if you're just going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And before I begin, please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And if you guys would like to watch my other Grentperez guitar tutorials, please feel free to check out my channel as well. And that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. Yep, there's a lot of them. First up is going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord, then the G diminished 7 chord, F sharp minor 7, B7, A major 7, D minor 7, C sharp 7, E major 7, E diminished 7, E7, F7, G7, G major 7, and the F major 7 chord. Okay, and as for the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So it's going to be like this. Just like that. That's going to be bass, D, G, B strings all together, with the bass either being the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. It's going to be lower E, D, G, B strings, or A, D, G, B strings all together. And slapping the fretboard, it's going to be the bass, D, G, and B strings all together. Then slapping it. Yep, bass, slap, bass, D, G, and B, then slap. Yep. And with that said, that entire chord progression is going to be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the first and the second verse, as well as the solo section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our plucking patterns twice. So once again, G diminished 7, F sharp minor 7, then B7. Yep, then one more repetition for the whole thing. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I can recall sitting alone, the last one left to leave, so you had asked me if you could walk me home. I can still hear that school bell ring, and no one could tell my frown was hidden by a grin. Okay, so for the pre-chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the A major 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be like this. D minor 7, G sharp minor 7, then the C sharp 7 chord, then F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, then the B7 chord for 4 counts. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. All those memories we shared, all the streets we used to roam, are the pigments that you painted now. Our world's not monochrome. Okay, so for the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, and we're starting this one off with the F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, B7, E major 7, then an F diminished 7. Once more, F sharp minor 7, B7, E major 7 for 2, E7 for 2, then E major 7 for 4. Yep, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Back when we were younger and our dreams were unexplored, we just needed each other, couldn't ever ask for more. Oh, nobody had flaws, and nothing had a cause when we were younger. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, so in this part of the song, it's where this kind of like guy monologuing or talking to himself kind of starts, and I don't really know how to do that while playing the chords, so I'm just gonna present an instrumental demo at the end of this section of the video. But yeah, so the first chord that we're going to play is going to be the E major 7 chord for 2 counts, E7, yep, then repeating that 3 times, yep, third one, E major 7, then G7, which is going to be this one right here, E major 7, then F7, then E major 7, then E7, yep, then this one, and this one, then this one, then G major 7, F major 7, then this one, G major 7, then F major 7. Then we're going to be repeating that specific part of this chord progression one more time. So once again, E major 7, F major 7, E major 7, then G major 7, F major 7, then this one, G major 7, then F major 7. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below, so that more of you guys will be updated for my future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Grentperez guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.